Session 6 of Fundamentals of Financial Management of 4th semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study about major financial decisions. Major financial decisions are capital budgeting decisions, capital structure decisions, dividend decisions, and working capital decisions. These are concerned with the financial matters of a business firm. Any business enterprise requiring money have three key questions being inquired into. Where to get the money from, that is financing decision, where to invest the money, investment decision, how much to distribute among shareholders to keep them satisfied, that is dividend decision, and to meet the day-to-day requirements of expenses, that is liquidity decision or working capital decision. Capital budgeting decision. Capital budgeting decision is also called as long-term investment decision. Capital budgeting is the process of making investment decisions in capital expenditure. Capital budgeting decision is the process of making investment decisions in the capital expenditure. These are the expenditures, the benefits of which are expected to be received over a long period of time exceeding 1 year. Investment decision relates to the determination of total amount of assets to be held in the firm, the composition of these assets and the business risk complexions of the firm as perceived by its investors. The investment proposals should be evaluated in terms of expected profitability, costs involved, and the risks associated with the projects. A careful estimate has to be made about the total funds required by the enterprise, taking into account the fixed requirements as well as working capital requirements. This is done by forecasting the physical activities of the enterprise. The second financial decision is capital structure decision, also called as financing decision. A finance manager has to select such sources of funds which will make optimum capital structure. The debt equity ratio should be fixed in a way that it helps in maximizing the profitability of the concern. The important thing to be decided is the proportion of various sources in the overall capital mix of the firm. That is, how much of debt, how much of equity. If the capital structure is able to minimize the risk and raise the profitability, then market prices of the shares will go up, maximizing the wealth of the shareholders. The next financing decision is dividend decisions. The term dividend refers to that part of profit of a company which is to be distributed among its shareholders. The dividend decision is concerned with the quantum or the amount of profits to be distributed among the shareholders. A decision has to be taken whether all the profits of the company is to be distributed among the shareholders or to retain the profit in the business or keep a part of profits in the business and distribute others among the shareholders. Working capital decisions. It is also called as liquidity decision. It relates to the allocation of funds among cash equivalents, receivables, and inventories or stock. Such a decision is influenced by a trade-off between liquidity and profitability. A sound short-term investment decision or working capital management policy is one which ensures higher profitability, proper liquidity, and sound structural health of the organization. Liquidity means the firm has adequate cash to pay its expenses or bills. The firm has sufficient cash to make unexpected large purchases. The firm has cash reserve to meet emergencies. References.